Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in again. Thanks for all your support. We're going to try and cook a full Scottish breakfast on stone. I realise in my last little video I didn't manage to record the fire starting, so these are the cotton wool balls that I've shown you how to make in one of my other videos, wax cotton. They should take a spark really quite easily. It's not too windy today. It was really windy on my coastal walk, so you can see that's taken. And then what we do is we just open up the might need to throw another spark onto that. Managed to cut my leg on a there we go. It's quite windy, you need to shield that a little bit from the wind and just get tiny little bits. Sometimes you need to open up the cotton ball even more so it gets a really good open bit. It's really quite windy again. I'm picking all the kind of the windiest days to. Okay, let's give this a go. Tiny little twig. Tiny little twig. Start really small. Start really small. It's quite dry. Got quite a lot of flies. This will help to get rid of the flies. Build it up. Small, small, small. Once the wax lights on the cotton, you get this will help to keep the flies away as well. Just take your time. Cones are good because of the natural resins in the cone. Take your time. Build it up. Those cones are starting to go. I'm just going to keep building it up, and we're going to try and cook on a stone, full Scottish breakfast. So thanks again for joining me today. And as you can see, I've got some small sticks, quite organised today, and we'll just slowly build up using the small ones first, nice and gentle. You don't want to choke it out. You don't want to choke it out, so just build it up nice and gently, keeping lots of air in it so the flames go up through the wood, letting it breathe, letting it breathe. And started on some dry wood, so I'm just going to build that up and I'll get you back in a minute or two. I don't know if you can hear or see the rain, but it's really chucking it down, but we've got the fire because we're underneath this beech tree. We're actually managing to keep out the rain. It's absolutely peeing down, but believe it or not, most of the fire is sheltered, so it's looking good. And we're going to be cooking a full Scottish cooked breakfast on stone. So I've just loaded up the slate, and it is proper cooking very nicely. Full Scottish, potato scones coming, mushrooms, tomato, looking absolutely yummy. And the rain's quieting down a little bit, but we're underneath this lovely big beech tree where I camped in one of my other videos, so check that out if you get a chance. Audrey's with us again. She'll probably get a little bit of fried egg or something like that today. I've got my handy herb set. Watch this space for a wee video on that. That's coming your way. And yeah, really pleased with that. It's looking like it's cooking really, really nicely. Got some decent bits of wood there. A nice easy way of cooking again. So looking forward to scranning into that. It's looking good. And a fried egg might be a little bit challenging because it's not the most flat grill. But got some bacon, got some more mushrooms, a couple of rolls. So yeah, it's looking really good. Okay, I'm getting some bacon on now. It's the rain starting again. It's hot. We're going to let the flames cool down a little bit. That wind's kind of whipping up a little bit. But we're all good. We are all good. As the fat drips into the fire as well, it's going to kick off a little bit, but we're going to let the heat cool down a little bit, because we're kind of just need to, that's a wee bit, that's flame grilled cooked full Scottish breakfast coming up, fried egg at the end. And yeah, looking good, looking well good. We're really doing well today. We're going to try and fry an egg as well. So this is going to be fairly challenging to get on and not burn myself. And then we'll try and, that's not bad, that's not bad. We'll lose a little bit, but we'll take that. That's looking good. We're letting the stone cool down a little bit because it is, I mean, apologies to all the vegans out there. This is not vegan friendly. But for all the meat lovers, I'm hoping that you are drooling as much as me, because this is top dollar. Looking really good, and the sun's coming out. So I'm on a day off work today. Wee chance to spend some time with the Loo Master today and Audrey, so really nice, really nice. I'm looking forward to that. Thanks again for all your support back home. Cheers. I'm going to plate up. Apologies for the campsite mess. It's looking a little bit on the messy side, but that's okay, as long as we leave no trace when we leave. That's the main thing. So we've got black pudding, mushrooms, we've got bacon. Again, the handy thing about these long bushcraft knives, you you know, you can keep your, oh, I was going to flip that little fried egg just for a second there. Oops, that adds a bit of authenticity when you're, I've got it's an old GoPro that I'm using, so, and it's got an external mic, so it never kind of, it's always a little bit problematic, but it does the trick. It does the trick. Tomato on as well. Okay, lost the tomato. That's okay. We've got everything else. We're going to lose something. It's quite a narrow little. Then potato scone. So that's looking absolutely top dollar. And I've got a roll. I'm going to toast a roll, get that set up, and get you back in a second for munching. Crack on with this bad boy. Not the best in cholesterol, but really, I guess again, we're going through hard times. You need to spoil yourself. You absolutely do. I think it's really important that you treat yourselves. Black pepper ground, fresh. It's important that we treat ourselves to nice things. We eat nice food. We do nice things. We spend time with our family, who we love. We value and appreciate what's important in our lives. Wow. I am spoiling myself these days with lovely food. Oh wow. And then to be using the bushcraft knife as well, cutting through bacon and sausage like it's paper. And we've got a wee coffee for after, obviously, like we do. We've got the Bialetti, so looking forward to that. Oh. Wow. That is so nice. Totally successful. We have some beans. I'm going to munch up, finish off, and get you back in a minute or two. That was absolutely yummy. Audrey, do you want to? Now, Audrey's never had fried egg. Just a wee bit. Oh, nice. I'm telling you, she's loving getting away with her dad camping and doing some lunch preps and coastal paths. So check out my other videos, guys. There's plenty to keep you occupied, hopefully. I'm loving doing them. Good, Audrey, enjoy that? Oh, yummy. I'm really enjoying making these. It's getting me out and about into the big outdoors, which I love doing, so really appreciate all of your support back at home. Hopefully you're enjoying little bits of kind of respite. And I'm going to get my coffee on and I'll get you back to round up. It's a wee short one today. Thanks for joining. Take care. Coming to the end soon. I'm going to get my coffee But that's what I'm talking about right there. Perfecto. That little slate's been absolute business for cooking on, by the way. Thoroughly recommend that. And yep, I'm going to have a quick coffee, get down the road, because I don't know if you can hear that, but the rain's starting again, so it's never far away up here in sunny Scotland. So, but I might just sign off there. We've done some good. That's been a wee quick one today. Full Scottish over stone and the fire. So hope you've enjoyed that and everyone's taking care. Remember, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you can, and much appreciate your support. Take care. Cheers.